Alright, this is the Gucci padlock. It's called the Gucci padlock because it has these two keys there. This is the real one. The real one has two keys, and the not so real one has only one key. You can tell the difference in the color, the two colors, the fake and the real ones. The real ones are darker color, and this is a bit orangey color. And the gold plated, Gucci has a gold plated. It's a real gold plated. They call it, it will never fade, but this will fade. This one will fade.
They call it stone.
And
Stone.
the stone. And this, the chain, this is the difference between the chain. This is the real one. There you go. That's the difference. See? This is the real one, guys, and these are the fake ones. You can see the difference. Okay? The size are the same. Actually, if you see, look at the size, it almost looks the same in terms of the heights.
Only the weight is different.
And then they're all the same. See? And this is the behind. This is real, and you can see the stitches. The stitches are
Smaller.
different there. See the stitches? Can you see?
Oke, cut.
Cut.
Oke. Gue yang ngomong, lu yang nunjukin. Gimana?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Oke, ready.
Smoke. So,
Hi guys, this is our first live video on we wanted to talk about the Gucci padlock. So the fake one and the original one. So here they have really the similar size, but they have a different kind of color. So the fake one is a little bit brighter than the original one. In the side they have a dark browns, and the fake one is a bit orange. And also the chains, the real one is more kind of like 18 karat gold, and the fake one is more like a bright.
you can hear the difference, see?
Yeah, and
This is the real one.
so, and also to compare both of them, basically one of this the top here is more smooth and black, kind of black matte and not shiny, which is the fake one is more shiny than the original one. And also we have the key. The fake one basically is only one key, and also the color is totally different. And the fake one, they have a R here in a circle, and which is the original one, they don't have one. As you can see,
It's registered.
is and also the real one is they have a two key, which is the fake one made in Italy, which is the original one. It doesn't say. It is, and also the inside, as you can see, inside outside they have a little bit similar of a leather, which is the fake one. Is basically they have a difference of kind of material. It's like spoon basically. And we can see here the original one, you can't move in any way. You can only move it when you open the key as only one side, which is the fake one. You can move both sides basically, and a little bit hard to open it. So when you open, the fake one is more shiny as well. Same, they look really original, and but basically it's very different, and the pattern as well is very small, which is the original one have a different pattern and kind of black, and inside the leather is very smooth and very different color as well, which is we can go from here. The original one is very shiny, and the fake one is a bit I don't know how they call it, bit kind of
Dull.
yeah, and the key and everything. So, and the size all the same.
And I think it's more rounder. It's more rounder than.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna open it again. I've got two cameras. Hi!
So,
The fake and the original. Fake, original.
yeah. All right. So
You can't tell the difference. You can't really tell the difference until you really see both of them.
yeah, but when you see the fake one is very light than the original one.
Yeah, fake is light. Original is a bit heavy.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.